Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how you can find the trending CapCut effects that is used by the other users. So here I'm going to just open my project first on CapCut. Then to find the trending effects, you need to first go to the effects menu and then choose, for example, video body or photo effects. I'm going to choose the video effects, and after that you'll be automatically open in lots of options like this, and the trending effect will go under the trending tab in here. So these are the list of the current trending effects that is used by the other users. So you can see, you can just choose, you can also use the effect. For example, I want to use the rotary focus. Just click on effects that you want to use. But if you are on the free CapCut CapCut version, and you want to add or you want to use the pro one, for example, I want to use this pixel sorter. So this is the pro effect. So I need to buy, or you also need to buy the CapCut Pro version. You need to subscribe it to the CapCut Pro. But if it's free, you can just click on the effect and it will be applied freely to your clips. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.